Hey, my name's Pip Meecham. I just want to give this testimonial to Gold Coast Plumbing Company. So the reason that I chose Gold Coast Plumbing Company in the first place was I did my research, absolutely loved their website, loved the reviews that they had, and had also heard some really good things about them from people in my local area as well. The really big thing though that was the standout factor for me was the communication that I got when I first made initial contact from them. The whole journey was really so seamless and straightforward. The team member who turned up at my house on site was really polite, went above and beyond what he needed to do. And they were just a really fantastic company to have come and help me with my plumbing needs. So if someone was looking for a plumber, I would tell them to definitely contact the team at Gold Coast Plumbing Company. They are absolutely fantastic. Like I said before, the communication from them is just outstanding. They really do feel like they're actually there trying to help you, which is really, really important with everything that goes on, especially in the plumbing world. So thank you so much, everybody at Gold Coast Plumbing Company. You guys are just fantastic, and I can't speak more highly of you.